Why use chillers in HVAC? Basics and key design considerations. In many commercial buildings, chillers are central to HVAC performance. Instead of directly cooling air, a chiller removes heat from water. That chilled water is then pumped through the building to air handling units or fan coil units. The air system uses that chilled water to cool indoor air before sending it into occupied spaces. The main chiller types are air-cooled and water-cooled. Air-cooled chillers reject heat outdoors using fans. Water-cooled chillers use a condenser water loop and cooling tower, which often improves efficiency on larger projects. Choosing the right system depends on building size, climate, water availability, space, maintenance, and long-term operating cost. Planning a project with chilled water systems? Contact Schnackel Engineers to discuss your design options early.